I've got this. I mean, a very budget-friendly, affordable pair of neckband style earphones from OnePlus, the all-new OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2, now coming with active noise cancellation. I mean, at times there are people जिनको वो कान में छोटे वाले earphones लगाने का शौक होता है. There are a few which are kind of old school like me, जहाँ पे आपको चाहिए एक proper headphone jack वाला system, जहाँ पे you have a wired system. But I think neckband style is the best bit in between, जहाँ पे you get kind of this wired वाला पूरा feel around your neck, making sure कि जो आपके earphones हैं वो कहीं गिरा के आप खो ना दो. At the same time giving you the convenience as well कि आपको एक लंबी battery life भी मिल रही है, and they are always with you right around your neck. और जब आपको पहनना है, it's very easy, just wear them, use for whatever you want to, and simply there's a magnet here for you to just put it like a necklace. तो यहाँ पे guys, these are the latest earphones packing in some interesting features. Let's see up close कि आखिर इसमें क्या-क्या नए options हैं, priced at 2,299 rupees.
In the era of true wireless earphones, ये जो old school neckband style है, might feel a little dated and overbearing, but having said that, इस फॉर्म फैक्टर के साथ वेरियस एडवांटेजेस भी आते हैं. द बिगेस्ट ऑफ वन, आई गेस, रीजनल प्राइसिंग फॉर द फीचर्स एंड परफॉर्मेंस ऑन ऑफर. OnePlus continues to promote this form factor, and इनका लेटेस्ट नेक बैंड स्टाइल वायरलेस ईयरफोन, it takes this proven design one step further. The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC is exactly what the name suggests. The rather capable Bullets Wireless Z2. Big change यहाँ पर यह है कि इसमें एक्टिव नॉइस कैंसलेशन ऐड हो गया है, while the sound and sonic performance वो largely same ही है OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 के जैसे. This means आप expect कर सकते हैं कि इन earphones का sound थोड़ा punchy होगा, bass driven होगा, as well as loud होगा, and occasionally fatiguing होगा if you listen to a lot of bass heavy tracks. So discretion is advised. When it comes to pricing, the Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC is arguably the best you can buy in its price range, especially क्योंकि अब इनमें active noise cancellation भी आ गया है.